These slides are about diffraction grating. The diffraction grating is a useful device for analyzing light source. It consists of a large number of equally spaced parallel slits. A transmission grating can be made by cutting parallel lines on a glass plate with a precision ruling machine. The space between the lines are transparent to the light and hence act as a separate slits. The reflection grating can be made by cutting parallel lines on a surface of a reflective material. The reflection of light from the spaces between the lines is specular, and the reflection from the lines cut into material is diffuse. Thus, the spaces between the lines act as parallel sources of reflected light, like the slits in transmission grating. Grating that have many lines very close to each other can have very small slit spacing. For example, a grating rule with 5,000 lines per centimeter has a slit spacing. We can calculate it as d equal to 1 divided by 5,000 centimeter, which will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 centimeter. The waves from all slits are in phase as they leave the slits. However, for some arbitrary direction theta made from the horizontal, the waves must travel different path lengths before reaching point P. That the path difference between rays from any two adjacent lengths is equal to d sine theta. If this path difference equals one wavelength or some integral multiple of wavelength, then waves from all slits are in phase at point P and a bright fringe is observed. Therefore, the condition for maxima in the interference pattern at the angle theta is d sine theta equal to m lambda, where m is some integer. We can use this expression to calculate the wavelength if we know the grating spacing and the angle theta. If the incident radiation contains several wavelengths, the mth order maximum for each wavelength occur at a specific angle. All wavelengths are seen at theta equal to 0, corresponding to m equal to 0 and the 0th order maximum. And for the first order maximum, m equal to 1 is observed at an angle that satisfies the relationship sine theta equal to lambda by d. The second order maximum, m2 is observed at a larger angle theta, and so on. All the wavelengths are focused or m equal to 0. This is called the 0th order maximum. The first order maximum corresponds m equal to 1. Note the sharpness of the principal maxima and the broad range of the dark area. This is in contrast to the bright fringe characteristic of the two-slit interference pattern. A schematic drawing of a simple apparatus used to measure angle in diffraction pattern is shown in the figure. This apparatus is a diffraction grating spectrometer. The light to be analyzed passes through a slit and a collimated beam of light is incident on the grating. The diffracted light leaves the grating at an angle that satisfies the equation d sine theta equal to m lambda, and a telescope is used to view the image of the slit. The wavelength can be determined by measuring the precise angle at which the image of the slit appears for the various orders.